Hey guys, so y'all know what today is, right? Makeup Monday. Well, anyway, so if you want to know how I achieve this look, please continue to watch. So here I'm going to be using Heat, and I'm just going to put this in my inner crease. This color is from the MORPE 3502 Second Nature palette. So I'm just using this, putting this in my crease. So I'm going to do the same thing to this eye also. And now I'm going to be using Rich, and I'm going to be using this in my outer crease. Well, my crease, but mostly on the outer of the lid. I'm kind of just putting it over there, just blending it in. So I'll make for a nice transition. So just do the same thing to the next lid. So you're kind of putting it underneath the other color, you're not going over it, it's just slightly beneath it. Next, I'm going to be using Muddy. So I'm putting that on my crease, my outer crease also, and on my lids. So I'm just kind of blending that in. So I'm doing the same with this lid also. Next, you're just going to blend it out with your blending brush. So I don't have any product on this brush, I'm just blending it out. I'm just blending out the crease area. So yeah, this is actually my first time blending it out without any color on it, and I think it came out nice. I actually like it. Next, I'm going to be using Amber. So I'm just putting it in my inner lid. So I'm just kind of like packing it on as much as possible. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this lid also. I'm just, you know, packing it on. I'm not really like blending it in. I'm just putting it on top, like just nicely patting it. So now I'm just gonna blend it out. And then I'm gonna go back in and pat some more. And then I'm blending it out again. Now I just went back in with Muddy just to darken up that outer crease area. And then I just blended it out. Now I'm using my foundation. It's the Mary Kay foundation. I think this is I'm not sure what number it is, but it's a liquid foundation. So just blend it all out all over your face with that hairline. The neck. Now I'm going in with my concealer. So I'm just concealing underneath my eyes and any dark spots that I feel need to be covered. Now I'm just blending it out. Next, I'm contouring. I'm using the same palette I always contour. I'll list it below. And now I'm using a translucent powder to set contour underneath my eye, my concealer. My forehead also. So I'm just gonna let that sit on my face for a little while. And I just went back in and blended it a little bit more. So I actually did my eyelashes off camera, and now I'm just kind of like brushing all that excess translucent powder off. Now I'm going in on my inner lash line and tear ducts with amber. And now I'm putting on my eyeliner pen. I just love this pen though. Like, it's easy to apply. Not really any mistakes when I apply it. So now I'm going in with Wiz, and I'm putting that on my outer lower lash line. Just get a little smoky effect, kind of. I'm kind of blending it in to amber. Now I'm just going in and just blending out that contour a little bit. So I'm using my CARLI BYBEL palette, and I'm using a highlighter in it. I think it's the darkest highlighting shade. So I'm just putting it on my cheekbones and my nose. So now I'm just blending that out. Now I'm using my Ultimate Mascara by Mary Kay. This is like my favorite mascara. Like, my eyelashes be popping, seriously. Alright, now I'm using a NYX matte lipstick and Gold Digger. So that's the finished look. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, because I will be putting out videos every week and I don't want you to miss out. So hit that button, okay? I'll see you in my next video. Bye.